In this video, I'm going to show you how you can split your payouts from Airbnb, whether you have one listing and you want the payouts to go into multiple accounts, or if you have multiple listings and you want payout to go into different accounts for each listing. Both can be done very easily once you know where to go and how to do it. So let's start. The first thing you need to do is log into Airbnb from your computer. Do not try and use the phone app for this. Once you're logged in, click on your profile image on the top right corner and then choose account. That will take you to your account settings page. Choose the third option there, which is payments and payouts. On the next page, you will see there are multiple tabs here. Payments is the first tab. Payments tab is for travelers. Any payment method you set up here will be used by Airbnb when you're traveling. But you as a host, you need to go into the payouts tab, which is the second one. So click there. So if you want to split the payouts into multiple accounts, first thing you need to do is to add all those payout methods in here. So just click on add payout method and the process is self-explanatory. Just follow the prompts and that will set your payout method. So in my case, I have two different bank accounts set up here. And let's say I have one property and I want to split the payouts, and you can even choose the percentage you want to split it by. To do that, go to the second option on this page, which is add a routing rule. By default, as soon as you add two different bank accounts, it will be set to all listings to default account. You can make any of these accounts as a default by clicking on make default, and then Airbnb sends it to that account by default unless you have set a routing rule. If you want to split it, just click on add routing and then choose the listing which you want to split into multiple accounts. So let's say I'm going to choose the first account and then click on add payout split, and it will prompt you to choose the second account. And in the percentage figure, you can choose the split which you want to do and just click on save. After that, any payout Airbnb is doing for this property, it is going to split into these two bank accounts based on the percentage you have defined here. Let me just cancel. And now I'm going to show you, if you have two different listings, how you can split the payout. It is done the same way. Just click on add a routing rule, choose the listing, choose the bank account, and just save. Do not click on add payout split. Do the same thing again for the other listing and choose the other account. And it is really helpful when you have multiple accounts, multiple properties, and you want to keep everything nice and tidier at your end. I hope you find this video useful. Please do like and subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment if you would like me to make a video about something which is troubling you. Until next time, bye-bye.